When the dew points are down, it's good news because then it means you have lower humidity. So that will continue through the day. Winds are in from the northwest right now at 9 miles per hour, and we're seeing mostly clear conditions. Temps again mainly in the 60s. Looks like Grove's actually our warmer spot at 70 degrees this morning. It is 67 in Tulsa, Muskogee, and Okmulgee, and then you have some mid 60s out towards Ponca City and Stillwater to start. Again, your dew points will stay low as we head through the afternoon, which is good news. That means it won't be very humid and sticky this afternoon. And we'll continue to see temperatures below average here all across the region really over the next several days ahead. Those temps are going to stay a good 5 to 10 degrees below normal. Making our way though into the weekend, that changes as it starts to warm up a little bit. So enjoy it over the next several days ahead here. As far as your future track goes, you'll see a little more sunshine today than yesterday. It was very pleasant yesterday, but we did have a little bit of cloud coverage, which actually kept our temperatures down just a bit. Today though, we are expecting to see more sunshine, winds in from the north, and again, we'll be looking for those temps to warm up into the low to mid 80s. So high of 85 is expected in Tulsa, Muskogee, and Bartlesville. You'll see about 83 in Grove and in Rogers, and 86 down in Fort Smith, Stigler, and McAllister. Going into the evening, then we'll continue to have clear skies and light winds, and then those overnight lows as we make our way into the start of Wednesday will start off in the 60s again, maybe just a couple degrees warmer. About 67 for us in Tulsa tomorrow morning, and 66 in Okmulgee, prior 65 in Muskogee. All right, so here's what it looks like on your hour-by-hour planner as we head into the afternoon. Those temps will be getting up into the low 80s by lunchtime. You'll have that nice north breeze through the day today. We'll get up to about 84 at 2 o'clock. 85 then is that expected high today. You'll get more sun and low humidity through the afternoon and into the evening. It'll be another quiet one for us tonight. Temps will drop back down into the low 80s by 8 o'clock this evening, with lows then in the 60s. For tomorrow, a high of only about 80 degrees, but we have a bit more cloud coverage that moves in with a slight chance for a few scattered showers as well. That will continue on Wednesday and on Thursday. We're going to be looking for those showers mainly to affect the northern portions of Green Country. We'll keep watching that though and let you know if any of that does change. But there's that slight chance for a few of those showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder Wednesday, Thursday, and temperatures again staying a little bit lower in the low to mid 80s there. Now going into Friday and the weekend, then that's when we warm up and we're back in the mid 90s, closer to that seasonal average, but we also have sunshine. So if you have any plans outside throughout the weekend, looks like